right, guys, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I done went back black. No more blue, all black, all black. I am currently growing out the top of my hair, just the top. I'm not growing out a full out of the Pixie, just the top. I want some bangs, I want some length in the top, so I am growing it out, and I honestly got tired of the maintenance of the blue, so I went back black. So here we are with a quick little tutorial. I am showing you guys a simple Pixie with a flat iron. And yeah, so as you can see, I'm molding the hair. I'm doing the little signature waves in the front. Of course, you saw the type of foam that I used. And yeah, I'm excited to be back black. Like, I'm loving it. It's so low maintenance, because when I tell you the blue was so much maintenance, guys, it was so much maintenance. All right, so here we are with my strips. I got the strips. I love the black strips. I don't know, they're just more sturdy to me. So I put about 4 strips on just to make sure that everything is covered. And then I am going to go under the dryer. I get questions all the time if, you know, to air dry or to not air dry. But personally, I like going under the dryer. This is a new air dryer that I got maybe a few months ago. I'll link it, and it's also in my Amazon storefront. I absolutely love this dryer. It's been working out well for me. All right, so here we are, dry in about 30 minutes or so. You got the Short, Relaxed, and Happy oil by Moi. Make sure and get your oil. I'm gonna put that in the hair, moisturize it real quick. Then we got the Iron Guard by Chi. Just a little heat protectant, especially because I am curling my hair. Then followed up with the Paul Mitchell Freeze and Shine, my absolute favorite holding spray. I am using the Turvix pencil flat iron. I actually found this on Amazon as well. It's a really, really good and affordable flat iron, y'all. Like, I don't have any complaints about this flat iron. I love the fact that you can control the temperature, and it does really good. I've had it for, I want to say almost a year, or maybe over a year now. Like, I like it. So you can find that in my Amazon storefront as well, and I will link it for you guys. It's a good, affordable flat iron, like for real, for real. So we are just curling. It's been a while since I've done a curl tutorial, because y'all know I just, with my hair being so much shorter, I would just do no heat. But you know, C formation, it's all in the wrists. Practice makes perfect, or practice makes better, as I tell my daughter all the time. I know people get frustrated because they're like, oh, I can never curl my hair like you do it better, da da da, you know, because you're a hairstylist, you just got it. But I'm telling you, if you just practice, like, you can get it. You can definitely get it. So I'm just curling everything forward, and yeah, just keep curling. Now the front right here, I'm trying not to mess up the wave. So I'm being very particular in how I'm curling, because I want to keep that wave formation without having to recreate it when it's curled. You know, I want that mold to stay in the front. So I just did like a light bump, and to not disrupt the mold. I'm not sure if you guys noticed that, like, a lot of times with the shorter pieces, I take the end of the rat tail and just pick the hair up. It's so much easier to do it that way, and then just pick the hair up with the end of the rat tail and then bump it. Now, here we are with the back. The back of my head, it is quite short. So there is only so much that I could bump back there. And I'm gonna probably keep it as short as possible, just being honest, because the way I'm kind of growing out my hair is gonna be an undercut. So the top I'm gonna grow out, but the back and sides I'm gonna keep it as short as possible because I still don't want a lot of hair on my back and sides. So I'm just bumping as much as I could in the back. All right, so we're all done using the Murray's beeswax just to kind of set it. I love the Murray's beeswax. It just, I don't know, it just adds that extra layer of oomph. I've always been using it, so I just love it. It to me, it helps set the hair even more. So just taking my rake comb, going through it a little bit. This part is really however you want to style it, however you want to, if you want to mess up the curls even more. I was just really playing with it to see how I liked the front, because being honest, I'm really getting used to curling my hair. So seeing it curled, you know, it's like, sometimes it's a shocker, and it's like, I don't know if I like it. I don't know, you know, so I have to play with it sometimes, but I did like this style. And for me, the curls, it does last pretty well. I work out a lot, so it might not be there tomorrow, but if I don't, I'll have like a little bump for a few days. Checking the back a little bit, just making sure that everything blends, especially the parts where there aren't any curls. It blends well with what is curled, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll be back with more. As I said, I'm growing the hair out. I am excited. I love it. And I will see y'all in my next video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.